So yeah, maybe just like going through and seeing where where frequencies are clashing. Like is this have a lot of low end? So do you see that down there? I'll just do this for an example. There is like this stuff
Hmm.
is pretty much just noise. It's not adding a ton of value to the song, but it is adding information that's cluttering up your mix. So I'd probably just high pass all of that. And now we're cutting out all that low end information that's not adding actual like value
Yeah,
to the like to the song. It's just kind of muddying up the mix.
right.
And